Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel. This is your reading for the second week of May. This is going to be your exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and you will find your signs reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. If you're a Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, remember this reading is for you. In your love life, you've got the Abyss card and the Lovers card. I do see that if you are single, you have a lot of options coming your way, a lot of proposals coming your way, a lot of marriage proposals or relationship proposals coming your way. A lot of people are interested in you. But somehow you have been sitting on these proposals, not taking an action towards anyone, contemplating a lot, also very confused, I must say. If ever you face such a situation where you have to be confused about something, then always listen to your intuition. The guidance for you is to listen to your intuition, listen to your higher wisdom, and take an action towards it. If you like someone, take an action towards it. If someone is coming back with a proposal, take an action. If you will sit on it for too long, you might just miss out on a very good opportunity. So beware of that. If you are in a relationship or married, I do see that there is a third party situation going on in your relationship. And I'm sure your intuition has also been telling you that there is something wrong or there is a third person who's misguiding your boyfriend or spouse or girlfriend or male, female, anyone. I do see that if this is another friend or family member who's a third party, then you can maybe deal with it and try to work it out and take action accordingly. But if you think this is another extramarital affair of some sort, then you have to be very careful whether staying in this relationship or marriage is worth it or not. And again, the advice for you is to listen to your intuition. Your intuition will guide you home. Do not procrastinate an action which needs to be taken right now. Otherwise, it will only get worse. If you have your doubts, if you have your own suspicions, please act on them. Then only you will be able to come to a right decision. Okay, so act on it. Whatever you are thinking, whatever your intuition is telling you, listen to it because it's guiding you correctly. And if you were looking for a sign or any sort of confirmation, this reading should be the one. In your career, you have got the Eight of Spades and the Four of Suns. I do see you're stressing about something. Probably you're working too hard, you're overthinking about some decisions. But I do see that career wise, you'll come out fine. This week is going to be smooth. I also see that you will be noticed by people for your work. I also see that some of you could be doing work for the community at large, for the people at large, some sort of service, some sort of NGO, some sort of work which will give you name and fame, where people will know your name, will also respect you, will also celebrate you in some form. I also see a reunion happening. Probably you're spending time with your family as well, or you're celebrating your success with them. So, career wise, I don't see any point in stressing. So, don't stress, it's going to be smooth. Uh, you have to work well with others. That is what your guidance is for career. The more you do for people, the more work, whatever work you're engaged with, make it for the people. So if you're doing for the people, it will be better for you, whether that's a job or company you are with who's working for the service of people, whether that's a business you are in, do it for the people. This week is going to benefit you if you're working well with people. It will give you fame and importance and name as well. So career wise, I don't see any problem, but your love life, if you are married or relationship, can be a problem. Singles have a very good time. So this was your reading for the second week. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know. I will love to read your comments, like them and try to reply to all of them. Lastly, if you would like to book any reading, if you have a specific question in your mind you need answer to, since this is a general reading, so please do go ahead and book a personal reading for yourself. I also do rituals. I also give rituals. So if you want easy, simple and powerful rituals, go for manifestation or blockage removal ritual. I also have different packages available. If you're single, I have a different package for you. If you want to know about your career, I have a different package. If you're in a relationship, marriage, situationship, I have a different package for you. If you're in a friendship, I have a different package with you. And every package comes with a free remedy. Then I have spiritual counseling session where I will give you counseling, I will guide you, I will listen to your burdens, share them with you, know your secrets, you can trust me, tell anything that you maybe are not able to tell to other people because you fear that you will be judged or looked down upon. This reading will give you guidance and a support system which I will be there for you. Plus I will, with the help of my angels, give you a remedy if need be. So yes, go ahead, make a booking by emailing me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow me and DM me on my Instagram channel as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all such details on a daily basis over there, like what rituals, when to do, what not to do, discounts going on, new services added to my channel, everything over there. Here I'm only going to meet you weekly or monthly, so please do not forget to follow me on Instagram and like, share, subscribe my channel here. Share it with anyone you know needs such a counseling session. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.